Navigating Fixed Asset Manager. Fixed Asset Manager navigation is very similar to Microsoft Explorer. This makes it easy to navigate. There are multiple ways in FAM to add, edit, delete, or view data. Fixed Asset Manager is comprised of three windows: the Explorer pane, located on the left side of the screen, the View pane, located on the right side of the screen, and the Output pane, located at the bottom of the screen. Common menu options and toolbar icons help to streamline program tasks. The Explorer pane displays the asset types, accounting information, and any entities. To hide or show the Explorer pane, select Explorer pane on the View menu or click the Explorer pane icon. To reveal contents of a folder or a subfolder, double-click the folder icon in the Explorer pane. To view additional details specific to an entity, book, asset type, or accounting information field, right-click on the item and select Open. Other methods include selecting the item and from the Actions window, select Open Selected Item. Or you can select the Open Item icon on the toolbar. The View pane displays the contents of a folder currently selected in the Explorer pane. The View pane also displays additional details for each content item listed. For example, when I select the entity name, the View pane details all of the options under my entity name. It also tells me that each of these items, Federal, Altman, and Accounting, are books, and the All Assets is a list of my assets. If I'm viewing assets, I have additional information. The first column is our asset tag column. To view a legend of this, you can select the Asset Tag Legend icon on the toolbar, or you can go to the Help menu, Asset Tag Legend. This legend will describe what the color of the asset tags indicate. In the second column of the View pane for assets, a paperclip will appear for assets that have an attachment in asset input. The Output pane displays the results of the most recent actions, including search results and import diagnostics. To show or hide the Output pane, select Output pane on the View menu, or select the Output pane toolbar icon. On the Find tab, the assets meeting the defined search criteria will be displayed. On the Diagnostics tab, the Type field toggles between several functions and displays the diagnostics for the most recent actions. Search results and diagnostics can be printed by selecting from the File menu, Print Preview. The status bar is located under the Output pane, or if the Output pane is closed, it will be under the View pane. The first field of the status bar indicates the condition of the current operation that has been selected, or the current status. When the status bar is activated and the cursor is moved over a toolbar icon, the status bar explains what the icon does. The next section of the status bar displays the entity that is currently selected. The Item Count section displays how many total items and how many items are selected within the View pane. The last section displays the current accounting period of the selected entity. The menu bar consists of the following icons: the File menu, which has the Open, the Close, the Import, Print Preview, Print, and the Exit. The Edit menu allows you to copy, paste, delete, select all, and invert the selection. The View menu shows your toolbars to display, your status bar indicator, the Explorer and Output pane. You can create custom views, refresh the view, and it allows you to view the event log. The Go menu allows you to go back, forward, and up one level. The Tool menu has a variety of options. From here you can do a search, you can update accounting information, create and reapply asset types, look at the structure setup, create custom methods, process Canadian tax, select program options, and in the Utilities menu you can close year-end, reverse close year-end, run a projection, a life to date. You can duplicate your book data, renumber your assets, maintain an entity, and you have a database maintenance as well for backup and restore if you're a standalone, maintenance and data validation. The Actions menu allows you to do actions on the database and mostly on assets. I can select new items, I can open a selected items, I have a bunch of asset details, retiring, mass, transfer, split, unsplit. I can maintain my period data and my calculate icons. The Help menu allows you to access the online help, the release considerations, the asset tag legend, and there are two options for accessing the Red Moon Solutions website. Also in the Help is the About Fixed Asset Manager. Users can show or hide the toolbars and move them to different locations on the main program screen. To hide a toolbar, select Toolbars from the View menu and deselect or select the toolbar you want to hide or display. To move a toolbar, select the pipe symbol on the left side of the toolbar and you can drag it from one end to the other. You can also drag these to a different location on the screen. To move it back, select it and drag it back. The standard toolbar is your File Open, which opens a database, your Print icon, which automatically opens the Print dialog box, Print Preview, your Copy, your Paste, your Delete, the back and forward buttons, open a selected item, find assets, calculate the selected item, calculate all items in the database, calculate all periods, renumber your assets, display the help, and view the asset tag legend. The Action toolbar allows you to create a new entity, a new book, new periods, a new asset type, and a new accounting field. Also allows you to retire, mass retire, transfer, or split an asset. Also allows you to maintain period data. The Views toolbar allows you to toggle the Explorer pane, the Output pane, allows you to define a view, and allows you to select a custom view or the default view, and it has your refresh page.